Hi there, and welcome to today's video. We're going to be diving into the process of installing River Rock and Flagstone for another outdoor project that we have. First, we're going to go to the garden center at Lowe's, and we're going to pick out Flagstone and River Rock. Working with River Rock and Flagstone, I find, can be a real challenge. It's heavy, and when you're doing it by yourself, you'll need to plan carefully to get them in place without damaging your back. Another challenge is positioning the stones effectively. You'll need to think carefully about how to arrange the River Rock and the Flagstone to create a cohesive and visually appealing design. We've made it to the ranch, and it looks like the little minis and the donkey are ready to be fed. Now that we have the Flagstone and the River Rock, we're going to start placing them in our flower bed for our new garden path. I've already laid down the landscape fabric and the landscape edging to hold the rocks in place. Now we're going to start laying our flagstone and spreading out the river rock. As we continue to add more stones, we'll start to see our design take shape. We'll need to step back regularly to assess our progress and make adjustments as needed. By using River Rock and the stone in our outdoor project, you'll not only create a visually stunning space, but one that's also durable, and it could last for a long time. It's certainly low maintenance and adds significant value to the property. And here's the final result, a stunning outdoor space that showcases the beauty and the versatility of the River Rock and the Flagstone. I'm really pleased with the transformation. Thanks for joining me today in creating our new garden path with the stones and the River Rock. If you have any ideas that you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. Have a great day.